John Nordin has taught in the Communication Studies Department at the University of Minnesota for 11 years, where he is the course supervisor and textbook co-author for COM 1313W, Analysis of Argument, a writing-intensive class. He also regularly teaches the honors section of public speaking. He leads a study abroad class to Greece to expose students to the foundations of democracy, formal drama, rhetoric, and other issues. He earned his Ph.D. in civil engineering from the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, and over the years he has taught computer science at the University of Nairobi, Kenya, and was a software developer and IT project manager. After earning a Master's of Divinity degree from the Pacific Lutheran Theological Seminary, he served parishes in Iowa and Colorado as a Lutheran pastor. He has published articles on Iranian politics, humor in religious institutions, and database design, and has several unpublished novels. He is also a published poet.